Now it's time to take a field trip on Noggin.
Some of Elmo's other friends like to take things that go places too. Elmo's friend Mark took a train the other day with his mommy to visit his granddaddy. Mark told Elmo all about it. Ooh, watch too, Dorothy. This is fun. Mark and his mommy had to go to the train station to take the train. On the platform, they waited for the train. Here it comes. When it came, they got on. Mark and his mommy found seats and sat down. Mark sat by the window. The train started moving, and Mark and his mommy were on their way. A person called a conductor came by and took their ticket.
Thank you.
Then Bart looked out the window. He saw houses and trees go by. And a big truck. They went over the river. And under a bridge. Then Mark ate a snack that his mommy brought. Mark was sleepy, so he took a nap. Then the train got to where they were going. Mark's granddaddy was waiting for them at the station. And Mark and his mommy got off the train.